Hi, my name is Isaiah. I'm gonna show you how to make cheesy garlic bread. My cheesy bread is perfect with the pizza. Things we need spices, mayonnaise, butter, bread, cheeses. First, we need to put the butter in the bowl, and we pick it up and we put it in the bowl. Whoop. Next, we need to put mayonnaise in the bowl. There, much better. Time to add the spices. There. The best part, cheese. 1, 2, yeah. Time to mix it all up. Time to slice the bread. 1, 2, 3. Open. Spread time. Time for mozzarella. I'm gonna bake you. Yeah.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
Okay, when we open, ooh, it smells so good.
One eternity later.
It's ready. I'm gonna eat you. I sliced you. I will share you with friends. Would you like a slice?
Yes, please. Delicious.
This is really good.